Good morning, you guys. I'm just coming because I'm going to do what I eat in a day video, but I just wanted to give you like a glimpse of how I start my morning. So every morning when I get up, I make sure I tidy up my room and light me some type of scented candle, and this smells so good. Then 9 times out of 10, if nobody has let her out, I'll let the dog out. It is around 8 o'clock. Then after I let her out, I'll head on back to the kitchen. I take my candle with me, and I promise myself that I will always keep roses on my countertop, different colors for whatever I'm feeling in that season. But I am like romanticizing myself. Now let's get on into cooking breakfast. Okay, so I'm going to try and cook this 90-second keto bread. I normally do not like cooking these because every time I have tried, I always can taste like a full-blown egg. So I have refrained from cooking these. However, I'm going to give it another shot because everybody leaves comments underneath this guide page about how good the bread is. So I'm really going to give it a true shot in cooking it. So you have to start off with 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. I couldn't find my half a teaspoon, so I kind of eyeballed it and did the best I could. So we gonna see. Now for this part, before you put your egg mixture inside of the bowl, make sure you spray the bowl with like some type of non-stick cooking spray. That's what I've heard, and they also said that you can use like butter just so it won't be hard to get out of the bowl. So here is what it looks like after you cut it in half. I will say I don't smell egg. Last time I've made it, I could smell the egg as soon as I sliced the bread open. So I'm hoping that this doesn't taste like it since I can't smell it, but we'll see. All right, so here is what my bread turned out looking like after I toasted. It broke apart a little bit and it kind of like scrunched up some, but that's okay. I just gave it a taste and it is like, okay. It did not taste like egg. I'm so excited about this. I'm very excited about this. I'm so excited. I put my top piece at the bottom. But I'm going to flip the sandwich over, so it's okay. Okay, so now we are going to enter all of our ingredients into our carb manager app so we can see exactly how many net carbs that this breakfast is. So we've already entered our 1 tablespoon of butter. We entered all 3 eggs. Now we're going to put in our cheese slice. Next we are going to enter our bacon, which is 4 slices. We just cut it in half. Next we are going to add the baking powder. Now here is the total breakfast, which was 6 net carbs. All right, so this is going to be my morning snack. It is the Nutty Fudge Brownie Bar. Let me show you how many net carbs is in it. It's 2 net carbs, because all together it is 17 carbs, 5 grams of fiber, and 10 sugar alcohols. All right, you guys, it is lunchtime. For lunch, I'm going to have a delicious lunch. I am going to make me some shrimp and some fish and a garlic butter sauce, a light butter sauce. It's really going to be light, with poppy seed cauliflower rice, and I'm going to put some peppers in it, some green beans, some peas, some broccoli, and I think that's all I'm going to put in there. But I just wanted to up all of my greens today, so that is going to be my bowl that I'm going to make, and I will show you guys how it looks afterwards.
To all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part, swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up, life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me, it's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore, 1 foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part, swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part, swimming in this deep,
here is my snack. This is 2 net carbs. It is 130 calories, 16 carbs, 5 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of sugar alcohol, which makes this only 2 net carbs. This little candy bar is so good and it's so filling. Tastes like a Snickers bar. All right, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the what I eat in a day. I thank you guys for sharing space with me. I thank you for joining me. And as always, I thank you for watching.